Organisers of today's free education march to the Union Buildings will face legal action. That's according to the City of Tshwane Metro Police Department, which says the march was illegal. Students maintain they followed all the proper channels before the march. Among their demands, the immediate release of arrested students.
March by students to the Union Buildings. Tshwane Metro says it never gave the march the green light, but students went ahead anyway.
Definitely there will be legal consequences for the organizers. If they continue with the march, we might open a case at a local police station, and anything should goes wrong, the organizers of the march might be held accountable for anything that goes wrong in this particular march.
Civil society and some school pupils joined the march. It started fairly peacefully, but later clashes between students and police.
We currently spend 3% of our GDP on the military. Why is this necessary when we have such important social issues that need attention?
The government official sent to accept the memorandum was rejected by students. Meanwhile, former President Kgalema Motlanthe has called on government and universities to find a solution to the impasse. Motlanthe made the remarks earlier in Durban.
Issues of funding of institutions of higher learning and management of that should really be addressed by the university councils together with government. It is really not a burden that we should place on students.
Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa has also weighed in. He has reiterated government's stance in condemning acts of violence and vandalism of property.
Within the ranks of the students, probably a minority who have engaged in violence and the destruction of property. And this act on its own, violence and destruction of property, goes against the democratic principles of accepting dissent. Dissent, yes, it is the oxygen that democracy needs, but it needs to be exercised in a way where we do not undermine our own democratic principles.
An interministerial committee set up by the president has been strengthened with the addition of finance ministers Pravin Gordhan, Faith Mutambi and Lindiwe Sisulu. This follows the ANC National Workings Committee's recommendation that the team be strengthened. Sipho Sterman, SABC News, Pretoria.